Hey, hi everybody. Happy Sunday. I hope you're having a beautiful Sunday. It is gorgeous out here in California, and I'm having a hard time staying away from being outside. But I came inside to share with you sandalwood. Yeah, so I've got Indian and Hawaiian here. So let's dive into Hawaiian. I was about to run out, so I put a little roller top on and I just apply whenever I need it. Hi, Alice. Hi, Kay. Thanks for joining me. So let's dive in a little bit about Hawaiian sandalwood. It's from a renewable source in Hawaii. Its benefits include smoothing skin and enhancing mood. It has a rich, sweet, woody aroma which instills calmness and well-being. It can reduce the appearance of skin imperfections and provide an overall youthful complexion. So I used it, well, you could diffuse it. I apply it to my neck. You could do 2 drops in the bath. You could take internally, and you can use during meditation. So put on your pulse points, and away you go. Hey, Jason, how are you? So Indian, I have Indian sandalwood here. It's pretty much got the same benefits and properties as the Hawaiian one. Fun fact though, Egyptians used this oil for embalming. And share that, thought that was interesting. So the reason I have these 2 oils in my life is because I had a small vial sample for the longest time, and I can tell my gut kept saying, you need sandalwood in your life. You need sandalwood, you need sandalwood. So back in March, I did an iTovi scan. So iTovi is a scanner that uses innovative and institutionally recognized technology to measure the changes in the electrical conductivity of the skin to stimuli. So it provides a personal wellness report. It IDs these changes and ranks essential oils and products in the order by the strongest response. So back in March, I did the scan, and the top oil on the list was sandalwood. So they just totally validated what my body was telling me, my gut was telling me for months. So I checked my doTERRA savings account where I keep all my little points that I save up, and I had just enough to get the 2 oils. But I didn't feel very comfortable just blowing all my little points on the 2 oils. So I waited a couple of more months, and then when I felt like I had a nice little pad, I got the 2 oils. So yeah, that's how I got them. It's very easy. Let's see what else. So it looks at emotions. It categorizes emotions, environment, and physical. So New Year's resolutions, because that's coming around the corner. I am going to share with you every single free oil that I receive and its benefits. And then at the end of the year, this time next year, I will recap all the oils that I receive for free and then tell you the total savings, because I'm curious to know. So that's going to be a fun little project. So I hope you stay tuned and check that out. Next week, I want to talk about Vivitor. This is a great oil too. Amazing story of how it's sourced. So I can't wait to share that with you. And that's it. I'm going to wrap it up. So you guys have an amazing, oh, hey, Marcus, how are you? Have an amazing week. Enjoy the new year. Let's all go in with positive mindset into 2018, because 2019, because 2018 was not so. That was a roller coaster. So I'm excited about 2019. I hope you are too. So enjoy the rest of the week, and I'll see you next year. Yay! Bye guys. Take care.